Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys my skincare routine, and in this I'm also gonna tell you guys about some acne remedies. Like in this age everyone suffers from acne, so I have come across few remedies for myself which are working tremendous for myself. So yeah, if you are interested, please keep watching. Also, all these remedies, like 50% of the remedies are homemade, and the products are always available in your kitchen, so you don't have to worry about that. First thing is to apply toner, because toner absorbs everything that you apply on your skin like very well. So first, always apply toner. For toner I'm going to use the Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. You can even use rose water as a toner, both work tremendous. So this toner is specifically for pore tightening, and it contains vitamin C and cucumber, and these products are really good for your pores and acne. So I always apply this toner on my face, like after waking up and before going to sleep. Okay, so I'm gonna take few drops of it and apply it. Cover each and every part of your face. And after waking up I use a face wash. Like I have been using this face wash since 2 to 3 years for sure, and this is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. It is pretty well for your pimples and all, and also it refreshes your face so well. Like every morning, like not even a single morning I have missed applying that face wash. It is the best face wash I have came across, and I'm also gonna apply a little bit of rose water. The starting few steps that I'm telling you guys are very important. Like you have to do it every day, because you have to take care of your skin too. You can even take it directly from the bottle. This bottle you can directly take it from this also. I used to take it from this bottle only in the start, but in one, like as soon as I press this, so much amount comes out and half of it is wasted. So I thought to put it in a dropper bottle, because dropper like removes such a small quantity, which is pretty well. After that I'm gonna use curd, and curd is like very nice for your pores and all. So I'm gonna apply it, like a pinch of it, and apply it wherever I have like those acne and all, like I have here. So I'm gonna apply it. You can even apply it on your whole face also, but I'm specifically targeting my pimples and acne only. So yeah, I let it dry on my face for 5 to 10 minutes, and now it is dried, so I'm gonna wash it. Okay, so I have washed it, and now I'm gonna apply some milk on my face, raw milk. Okay, just take some amount of milk and take cotton pad. This procedure which I am showing you from the milk part, you have to do it once or twice a week, not every day. Curd you can apply it every day, on your acne and all until they are not gone. So yeah, milk thing once or twice. Dip the cotton pad and apply it on your face. For washing the curd, I use normal tap water on my face. No face wash or something. Don't use face wash. I'm just gonna apply the raw milk on my face. Milk is very nice for your skin. Like you can even apply it on your whole body and then have a bath. Take little amount only because it covers your face pretty well with just little bit amount. After applying it, let it dry for 5 minutes only, just 5 minutes, and then again wash it with your tap water. Okay, so after that I'm gonna apply a homemade thing, honey plus lemon, and I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna use the Dabur honey and lemon. Squeeze 2 to 3 drops of lemon only, and I have put it in a container so that I don't have to make it again and again. Like it can be used 1 to 2 times at least. Honey is very nice for your acne. So I'm gonna apply on the places where I have acne. I'm gonna massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll wait for like 5 minutes and then I'm gonna wash. Also, one more thing to prevent acne is you should change your pillow covers like in every 2 days. My acne are like, I don't get so much acne, but when I get, it is so tough to get rid of them. After that, I'm gonna massage it and wait for 5 minutes, let it dry and then wash it off. I'm only using the tap water. I'm not using any face wash to remove these stuff. Otherwise, there will be no use of applying so much product. It won't do its job if you wash it with the face wash. You are cleaning everything from it. You have to let it stay on your skin. Like normal tap water is enough. Few things I've been using like since 1 to 2 years, and few stuffs are like I have just recently come across and I have seen the result. So I won't tell you guys something that is wrong or something. But also few skins react with few products, so you have to take care of that. If you are allergic to few products, don't use that. If you are not, then you should definitely use these products because they are amazing on your skin. Okay, so after washing my face, I'm gonna do the lip mask. We always forget taking care of our lip. We always apply products on our face, but we always forget our lip. So for that, I'm gonna tell you all that you have to take coffee, 1 spoon coffee, sugar. You can take any brown sugar also or normal sugar also, and apply 2 to 3 drops of lemon. I have also contained it in a box so that I don't have to make it again and again. And yeah, I'm gonna apply it on my lips. I'm gonna scrub it. It's like a scrub only. The honey is very nice for your lips. Like for your skin, also honey is very nice. It moisturizes the face so well. And sugar is also very good for the skin. Whatever procedure I'm telling you, like applying the milk and then the curd, milk curd, and whatever these scrubs I told you about, honey with honey and lemon, and this, I only do it once a week or twice a week. That's all. So you also don't have to do it more than that. It's more than enough. It's not like you apply it every day so it will be effective. No. It will take its own time, but it will give very nice results. So do it twice a week, that's all. Once a week is more than enough, but if you want to do twice a week. And I do my skincare routine every day is that I apply toner, first face wash, then toner, and then moisturizer. That's all I do. And only 2 days in the whole week I do this skincare routine. So yeah, you can also do the same. This is the first part I'm telling you about the home remedies and all. I'm gonna make the second part of the video. In that I'm gonna show you all the face packs and scrubs that I use. So you have to wait for that. And I always divide my skincare routine in 2 days. So you can do the same. You don't have to apply everything in one day only. Okay, you can divide it in 2 days and it will give a very nice result. After the scrub, I'm gonna take steam. And for steam, this is the steam I'm gonna use. And the last thing for the skincare day 1 will be rice water. Now rice water is the best for skincare. Like you must have seen Korean people's skin. Their skin is like so smooth and just perfect. You must have seen it or not, I don't know, but in every skincare product they always use the rice water is always mentioned in the skincare product. Rice or rice water, it's always there, and you can see their skin. It is so glowy. And rice water, when I started applying, it showed me the result overnight. Like overnight. I will tell you that you should apply these things like rice water, toning and all at night, because at night those things stay on your face for a very long time. Now I will tell you how to make rice water. You have to take like a handful of rice and then apply double amount of water than the rice. Okay, and then keep it for 3 to 5 hours covered in some place, and then you can store it in some container. So you should definitely try the rice water thing, even if you don't want to use these products which I have used. But rice water, I swear you will see the results overnight. You have to try this. It is also good for your skin, for pores, for like everything, I guess. It's the best. Like I used to apply coconut oil. Like since 1 or 2 years I am applying coconut oil at night, but coconut oil also didn't show me the results so well than the rice water did. So my lips feel so soft, and I don't even have to apply any Vaseline or something right now. Like it feels so soft. Seriously, trust me. It feels very soft and like very, all the dryness has gone. Like in this weather, I have so dry lips nowadays. So I have to use something on my lips to keep it moisturized. And after applying that scrub, I think that all my dryness has gone. So you should definitely try it. And the last step I'm gonna show you all for this video is the rice water. So yeah, this is the rice water, and I even have some in this bottle, so I will transfer it afterwards. I just feel like applying whole bottle on my face, like it is so efficient. But it doesn't mean that you have to apply it so much so you will get the results faster. No, apply little and you will still get results, very nice results. So yeah, just wait and have patience. Trust me, rice water is the best. I had one, I still have that, but this was a mark I had after the pimple was gone, and it was not going at all. But after I started applying this rice water, it has lightened so much, like it is almost gone only, and it will be gone like after a week or something. I trust rice water that much that it will be gone soon. So yeah, the second part of the video I will be posting soon. So yeah, it will be regarding the masks that I apply, all the blackhead removal products that I use and everything. I'm gonna post in the second part. This part was totally based on acne and homemade remedies, and this is actually my skincare routine, okay? I actually follow these things, and that's why I'm shooting this video for you guys also to use it. And let me know if you are doing these steps, and let me know in the comment section that you have applied it and how it worked for you. Please let me know. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.